So this question comes from section 3.1. It says find the equation of a line that is tangent to the graph of x. So here is f, it's the function x squared, and parallel to this given line. So the line is 6x minus y plus 9 equals 0. So the first thing we need to do is find the derivative here using the limit definition. And when you do that, you end up with the derivative is equal to 2x. So and to find what the slope is here, because we know that parallel lines have equal slopes, we are going to solve this equation for y. So add y to both sides to get this. And now this is in slope-intercept form. And so slope-intercept form says that the coefficient on the x is the slope. So we're going to say what value would make the output here 6, and that value is x. So when we put in 3 into the function, the original function f, we will get 3 squared, which is 9. So we're going to say that at the point, I'm trying to draw the at symbol, at the point 3, 9, the tangent line is parallel to six x minus y plus 9. And the equation, so the question had asked us for the equation. So the equation of the line can be found by using the point slope form to figure it out. So I've got the point 3, 9. So I'm going to call this x1, y1. And I've got the slope was 6. So in place of slope, I'm going to put 6. In place of y1, I'm going to put 9. And in place of x1, I'm going to put 3. So let's do that. And then we'll be able to write the equation of the tangent line. All right, so now we have the equation, but I'm going to solve it and put it into slope-intercept form, meaning it's solved for y. So what I do here, I add 9 to both sides. So 6x minus 18 plus 9 would give you 6x minus 9. Y equals 6x minus 9 is the equation of the line. And that's how you do that type of problem.